President Zardari, who took oath on September 9 last year, spent almost every fourth day out of Pakistan, making more than 27 official business and private trips to almost every corner of the globe. He made 5 trips to United Kingdom, 4 each to China and UAE, 2 to United Nations, Iran and Turkey, and 1 to Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Libya, France, Russia, Belgium and Tajikistan.
Whatever discussions take place when he is abroad, whatever meetings he has with people abroad, sometimes they're one-on-one meetings with no note-taker even present. Not at the parliament, and sometimes not even the cabinet is told what is taking place there. That is the biggest tragedy. Now, if he was to come back and say, I've achieved this for the country, I've done this for the country, people would not mind.
The full details of the expenses incurred on these trips is not yet known, but a source in the Foreign Office told DawnNews that President Zardari's one-year visits abroad between September 2008 to August 2009 cost approximately 200 million rupees to the National Exchequer. The President's entourage for the trips comprised about 275 people. The official delegation of Pakistan to 63rd session of the United Nations General Assembly last year, comprising 53 members, cost over 60 million rupees to the national kitty.
We are having a war on terror. We are fighting with insurgents. Plus our economy from last 2.5 years, because of this war on terror and so many other issues, it was weak. So we have to put our case to the world and show it to them that, that these are the problems. And because they were thinking that each and every Pakistanis were insurgents or Talib and whatever. So we have to put our case. Asif Ali Zardari went there just to get some help for the Pakistan.
Analysts believe that such visits have resulted in pledges of help to Pakistan, some of which are yet to materialize. But President Zardari has already got the distinction of making the highest number of foreign trips in a year. Mateen, Haider, DawnNews, Islamabad.